Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix Windows 11 audio issues. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're trying to playing a audio but you're not hearing any sound in your Windows 11 and you are looking for how to fix that. I will share with you within 3 steps how you can fix that. First of all, go in your Windows 11 in taskbar. There is a sound icon. Simply click over there and then you can see here this sound is high. But the problem is my one is mute. So if you want to unmute, just simply unmute and try to play the audio. Hopefully it's going to be work. If it is not work, you can also click this right arrow and then you can easily choose. There is many audio devices. You can easily choose randomly one by one and try to play the audio. Hopefully it's going to be work. If it is not work, let me share with you the second step. Go in your Windows 11 start menu, right click over on it and click here device manager and then extend the sound, video and game controller, and then you will see all your audio devices. But now you might be confused at which one you want to update the driver. So for that you need to go in your Windows 11 this sound icon and then you will find here, for example, I have the headphones which is a Realtek R audio. So you need to see here, this is the Realtek audio. You need to just right click over on it and click here update driver and click here search automatically for driver. Hopefully within this update your Windows 11 sound issue is going to be fixed. If it is not, let me share with you the third and last step. Go in your Windows 11 the sound icon, right click over on it and click here sound setting. After click over sound setting, scroll down and then you will see find here something say more sound setting. After click over more sound setting, you will see a screen appear just like this. For example, my one is a Realtek audio headphones, so I'm going to just right click over on it and then I'm going to click here properties. After click over properties, you need to jump over this advanced tab and then you will find here something say bits. So you will see there is a many bits. So simply choose one by one and then try here play test and you will see you will hear a sound. If you hear a sound, that means that is the correct one. You can easily choose that bit and click here apply, click here OK and then try to play a audio. So in this simple way you can easily fix audio issue in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.